Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Brother, this one is Toyota Camry 2008 model, silver color. This one is VCC paper, customs paper, Jamarok paper. Without any accident, we bought it from container. Very neat and clean title car without any accident. This one engine is 2.4 engine. This one not like GCC spec car, not like American spec. This is Japanese spec without any accident. Look at the interior, mashallah. Mashallah, base color interior with wooden decoration, wooden flavor. Seat full option, mashallah. Have option here, mashallah. Look like Lexus car interior, mashallah. Japanese one, mashallah. So our asking price is 17,500, but it's not fixed price. Our asking price. This is our asking price, mashallah. Very neat and clean, mashallah. 17,500, but it's not fixed price. We will give you discount, inshallah. We have another Camry 2007 model, same 2.4 engine. This one is dark gray color, same option, almost same. Don't have sunroof, but interior, this one is a black color interior. Whoever like black color interior, look at the interior, mashallah. So seat also full option, black color interior, mashallah. Neat and clean. This one price is 17,000, but it's not fixed price. Please come and check the both car. We will give you discount, spot discount, maybe 500, 600, 700 like this spot discount. Our location is Ajman industrial area too. If you need location, inshallah we will share your location.